How one court taught Reliance Standard a lesson in dealing with life insurance claims of minors. There are many disability insurance and life insurance companies who do right, but there are some that will deny life insurance benefits, and I think it's just stunning when they do that and heart-wrenching. I'm going to tell you the story of the McComb children and how Reliance Standard tried to screw them out of their insurance benefits. When they were minors, their father passed away. Mr. McCombs was insured under an ERISA-governed life insurance policy, and he named his children as co-equal beneficiaries of his life insurance policy. Now, after his death, a benefit analyst for McCombs, his employer, reached out to Reliance on behalf of the minor children in the family. And this benefit analysis talked to the Reliance Standard client manager and a manager for the claims. And they informed the employer that the proceeds of the minors would be held with Reliance Standard until the minors reached the age of majority, and requested the proceeds. Now, when the oldest child reached the legal age of majority and requested the proceeds, what did Reliance do? Reliance said, "Too bad, so sad, the claim is untimely, and you didn't provide us with written notice of the claim, and you didn't provide us with information about your father's passing in the time period required." So ultimately, you can imagine that this case ends up in federal court in the case of McCombs versus Reliance Standard. In this Illinois case, the court held that nothing in the record suggested that Reliance ever informed the minor plaintiffs that the notice of loss had to come directly from them, or that their rights would be forfeited, and it had to be done in a certain time. The court held that the notice of the claim provided by the employer met all the plan requirements because while it came from the employer, it advised of Mr. McComb's death, it provided the policy number, it provided information about his beneficiaries. In other words, what more could they have given at the time they called Reliance? So the court found that the claim was timely and the minors were legally incapable of claiming their benefits any sooner. In fact, the judge went even so far as to rule that since Illinois insurance law provided no time limits for filing death claims, that this claim was timely filed and that the plan's statute of limitation provisions were unenforceable. The court ordered Reliance to pay the life insurance benefits plus attorney's fees. And I think this is a great decision. But it's sad that we had to come to this point. Reliance denial was arbitrary and capricious, and judge made Reliance pay the price. If you have any questions about your rights to life insurance benefits and holding life insurance carriers' feet to the fire to pay benefits, call me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. I can help you regardless of where you live in the United States.